Hello guys, today's tip is for you for trading. If you're trading when you're tired, I don't advise to trade because you're making a mistake. My mistake was that I wasn't focused and I had a buy order there, and after that I wanted to put a stop market order and I accidentally put a limit order and my order was executed and I had the chance put to get back into the market, and I was very tired, and that trade, if I had put as a plan, would make me like $100 to $200 because it's with 10x leverage, and 10x leverage with 10%, that's 100% right now. So yeah, that's my tip for you. Don't trade when you're tired, and when you're focused, be really focused. Don't be interrupted by anyone else. And if you have any questions, please ask in my DMs.